right, we are on the way to get a new car. We are buying a new four-wheel drive. It's going to be an exciting build. Let's go show you what we're getting.
Excited, Arch?
Let's do it. So we're trading in the old Prado for the new Prado. We went with the GXL, the 7-seater. The reason why I really picked the Prado is because I really want to design a really cool drawer system for them. We're going to pull the seats out, scan it all up, get a false floor made, and then come up with maybe one or two, maybe three different systems in the back for some drawers. So here she goes now. I'm in the old Prado. Out we go in the new. Straight to the workshop. Let's go. Alrighty, it's go time with the Prado. We've just backed it into the workshop. We're going to pull the seats out. We are going to scan it up today. Get this false floor design up and running. So time to get into it and pull it apart. So here you can see we have all the little dots in the back of the Prado, which now allows us to scan this up so we can design the false floor and the drawer system to specifically fit the Prado absolutely perfectly. Such an awesome tool and just really, really cool technology. Good morning, exciting day. We have the Prado in today. We are getting our first look at the false floor system that we've designed, going to be going into this into the Prado. It's the whole reason we really brought it, so that I could design a really simple, easy system that people can use for the false floor, and then have a drawer system that goes on top. So first look at the drawer system here. We've got the false floor carpeted up. We've got some brackets all made up for it, so there'll be no drilling required. It'll be straight into factory holes from where the seats come out. Let's get stuck into it. So we'll keep those bolts because we've just taken them out. That's where our custom brackets will go for the false floor. So same at the backside and the front. What will hold the false floor down, then be able to mount the drawer system or the different layouts on top of that, that false floor. Seats out. This is what we have to work with. These labeled B1, B2, B3 and B4. So back 1, back 2, back 3, back 4. And then the front ones are all the same brackets. So just to make it easier, you know which ones are what and where they go. So we're bringing our electrical up through that plug there, taking that plug out, drill some holes, and that's going to bring our feed in for to run our charge from the alternator and connect everything up. Q-Man is getting the battery system set up, so we're going to work out a little electrical system that we can offer directly with the kit as well. So when you're purchasing it through the website, if you do want to have your electrics sorted in a designated area, this kit will work for you. So I'm just running a drawer fridge on this front side. If you're not going to run a drawer fridge, then this can just be a drawer like you have on the right side. We've got a stainless steel table underneath, little dividers on that inside, a battery allocation, space to run all your cables down this side, and then you have a little face piece, and then you'll have a top that finishes it off all nice and neatly. So we're mucking around and just getting all that set out done now, and have something for you guys soon. False floor is in. Super clean, tidy, factory looking finish. We can still get to the tie down points in the rear here. Super happy with how that has turned out. Now we're about to draw system next. Let's get it. Time to fix the top down touches. It's all being fixed down. Electrical's connected up. Fridge is fixed down. Drawer fixed through the false floor. Time to fix the top down. I am so stoked with how that's come together. All right, so that's a wrap for the Prado 250 build. We're really happy with how it worked. If you guys are interested, I'll have the link in the video, or you can press the link now to go and grab yourself a false floor or a Prado drawer system. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.